Welcome to the class, gentlemen. This video is called Preparing Young Executives to Enhance Personal Impact to Face Life. The video is made by Promote Careers for the website highimpact.in. It is our strong belief that better impact, the chances of progress in career and life are much more. We have segmented various aspects and we aim to provide an insight, a low income insight to young job aspirants and young people entering life, so that by giving little attention they can enhance their own impact and do much better. So now friends, you are at the threshold of completing your education and entering life. Life means good job, comfortable job, a job which you can show off, a job which you can be proud of, a job which gives you potential for growth in both professional terms and monetary terms. To get a good job, something more than education degree is required. A thought process, or let us say a planned thought process, so that you identify correct process and you can get initial placement for growth, a placement which is commensurate to your education qualifications, ability and life's aspiration. My boss, whose courtesy I have the maximum gray hair, once remarked, success is 60%, ability is 60% ability, 25% scope and 15% patronage. The percentages may vary, but the general principle of ratios cannot be varied much. Ability, apart from education, requires hard work, dedication, organizing energies in a focused manner. So, what are the actions required at the time of leaving the college? You must take this transition from college to jobs seriously. The goals are changed, expectations are changed, the timelines are changed. You are to be judged by some of the standards. Your employers, your internal employees, your external employees have different kind of expectations. Your parents have your different expectations. So you should be available, you should know what are the kind of standards which you are likely to be judged by. How will you fit into the requirement of environment? To do that, you have to make a plan of action. The plan of action must include what potential employer is looking in candidates, how the recruiter is going to judge you on the basis of your resume first and later in your interview. You have to understand that. Remember, knowledge is power, so you need to be prepared and armed with knowledge and skills. Once you join a different environment exists. Now we are talking of workplace. This is a competitive environment and an environment which judges you, promotes you or sacks you. You have to create an environment by your good communication, manners, personal standard, personal awareness lessons. During our training programs, we'll be covering these aspects. Even if you have managed to create a good image, you still have to learn to perform well at job. Everybody wants to manage. Manage what? Manage company, manage hotel or family. First thing you must learn is to manage your own self. Manage your own personality traits, then manage your own self at workplace. And managing yourself at workplace is depending upon the workplace requirements. Workplace also requires managing the groups. You may be expected to manage a small group or a large group. You must have an idea how to deal with the group. Young executives are also expected to know about etiquette, business, corporate, and partycate. A knowledge of party etiquette, social etiquettes, forms of introduction, priority helps you to gel well in a corporate life. After that, there are other experiences like how to behave in a party, how to negotiate, how to go ahead and finalize deals. These will be covered at a later stage. Also, once you are in setup in job, you would need to think of marriage, matrimony, how to select a partner, how to go ahead in life. All these things will be covered in the subsequent training modules. I am sure our capsule will help you to enhance your impact for profession and personal life. Thank you. Good luck. Happy huntings. Thank you.